Temperature is the average kinetic energy of atoms and molecules in a system. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. The faster an object moves, the higher the kinetic energy of the object. Now, there is a state in the universe where all motions can stop. This is called the absolute zero. This is a temperature at which there is no atomic or molecular motion. So in a container of gas, when the atoms are moving very, very fast, we say this is hot. There's a lot of energy inside of this container. This we can call warm. This we can call cold. So then temperature is basically the measure of how fast the atoms are moving in a container of gas or in a system. Here we have absolute zero, where all atomic motion, molecular motion has ceased, stopped. At absolute zero, all motions cease. Absolute zero is minus 459 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 273 degrees centigrade. We call this 0 degrees Kelvin after the Scottish scientist Lord Kelvin. So we use degrees Kelvin in science. We say water freezes at 273 degrees Kelvin. Water boils at 373 degrees Kelvin. Of course, these are all at sea level. There are other states besides gas in the universe. When we have a solid, this is the way the atoms in a crystal lattice are moving. The faster this motion, the higher the temperature of the solid. This is a solid at absolute zero. These are the phases of matter, states of matter, where we have solids. As we can see, solids are in a crystal lattice, and in a liquid, move past each other. In a gas, they're free to move around. Plasma is a very high state of matter where atoms are moving fast and they're charged. So every time we say plasma, we're referring to ionized atoms, atoms that have charge, like a proton by itself, electrons by themselves, protons with 2 electrons, charged atoms. There's a law in the universe we call the second law of thermodynamics, which says energy flows from a high state to a low state. If two bodies at different temperatures are brought together, energy is transferred from a high state to a low state, i.e., heat flows from a hotter body to the colder body.